Hi guys, this is Naga Chanti and I'll be showing you how to add your own custom ringtone on your iPhone. It's completely free and you don't need anything like Apple Music or anything like that. So step one about this process is opening your app store and you search up Ringtone Maker. Go to this app right here and you can I already installed it, but yeah, you guys can install it. It has some small ads you can skip really quick. So, for example, I got this downloaded video. I'll show you how to get that video. You just need to download it. It's a simple process. If you already have a video that you want, you can just add that. But if you don't have a platform that you can download it from, you could just have TikTok or Instagram. And I searched up Blood Pop Edit Audio. So that's how I got it. You just have to make sure that your song or any audio is above 30 seconds. As long as it's above 30 seconds. And here, you can save the video. And it will download it for you. Video saved. Then you can go here. Ringtones. Import from video. So I already did this process once.
You need to have this app on your phone. If you're still in school or at a job, chances are you do a lot of writing. And along with that writing comes a ton.
And you can rename your song here. And you can check start points and everything. So now, rename. And it's like that now. So you got it done. Now, what you'll do is make. Now, you go to GarageBand. Normally on your iPhone, it would be installed as a default. So, you can just use it. If you do not have it, you might have probably deleted it because you need to save space or anything. You could reinstall it on the App Store right here. And it's also free. So you'd install it like that. Now we have Broken BP. If you go here, share, you press share and you choose ringtone, continue, adjust, it will adjust it for you, exporting as ringtone. Okay, so you have your ringtone now. All you need to do is use your ringtone now. So you go to settings. Now, after you go to settings here, what you'll need to do is go to ringtones, which is sounds, and here ringtone, it will show you got the ringtone. Now you have your ringtone. It's a simple and easy process. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I really hope this video helped you.